Alright, welcome back everybody to your quick crypto wrap-up for May 30th, 2025. It's me. Hope you're doing well. We got some massive news today. Like huge stuff that has me very excited about the future of crypto. Before we get into it though, like always, feel free to drop a like or leave a comment down below. It helps out the channel. And if you're interested in making money with AI, check out the link down below. You can literally start making money today. Alright, let's jump in. Today we have 6 stories that will make you bullish on the future of crypto. Let's go. First story is going to be Bitcoin added to national reserves. In case you don't know, the central bank of a major economic nation has officially announced that they are adding Bitcoin to their national reserves. The country's president made this revelation during a global blockchain summit held in the nation's capital. In his speech, he highlighted the strategic importance of integrating Bitcoin into the country's financial reserves. He also emphasized the potential benefits of holding Bitcoin as a long-term store of value. He said, quote, "As part of our efforts to diversify our financial reserves, we have decided to allocate a portion of our reserves to Bitcoin. This step is in line with our broader strategy to ensure the resilience and strength of our economy in the face of global challenges." So this is absolutely massive news. Now you might be wondering what kind of percentage of their reserves they allocated to Bitcoin. Well, at the time of this recording, the exact allocation percentage has not been disclosed. However, it is widely reported that the portion set aside for Bitcoin is significant enough to make it a noticeable part of the country's overall reserves. Additionally, the central bank mentioned that they intend to gradually increase the Bitcoin allocation over time. So, this is only going to grow. Now remember when El Salvador made Bitcoin legal tender back in 2021, there was a lot of pushback. People were saying it won't work. This won't be adopted. But guess what? They did it, and they've had a couple of years under their belt. They've shown that it works. And I think other countries are taking notice of this because here we have another major country adopting Bitcoin as a strategic financial reserve. And just like anything else, when you start seeing more and more people do something, it becomes more and more normal. And this is why I believe in the future, maybe sooner than later, we'll see more countries follow suit. Speaking of more countries following suit, next up we have the SEC finally recognizes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bcash, and Litecoin as securities. This is crazy because it took them forever to come around to this. The SEC released an updated list of exemptive relief available to facilitate capital raising, and it specifically mentions that the tokens are considered securities. This ruling acknowledges the unique characteristics of these cryptocurrencies which distinguish them from traditional securities. The release states, quote, "The tokens are not securities because they are sufficiently decentralized, so this is actually a really big deal. It gives these cryptos more legitimacy and once again makes it harder for the SEC to treat all cryptos as securities." Think of it like this, the SEC is slowly but surely realizing that not all cryptocurrencies are the same. They're starting to categorize them and give certain ones more legitimacy. Now do I think this is enough? No. We still need more reform and less censorship from the SEC. But little by little they are coming around. Next up we have huge corporate finance players making massive crypto bets. 2 of the largest banks in the world are reportedly in the process of acquiring significant stakes into major cryptocurrency exchanges. Both banks have been long-time observers of the crypto market and have now decided to make substantial investments. According to Bloomberg sources, HSBC Holdings is looking to acquire a minority stake in Bitstamp Wild Industrial, and Commercial Bank of China is considering a similar move with the crypto exchange BTC. These investments mark the first time major financial institutions have publicly disclosed plans to buy stakes in crypto exchanges. Now both banks have reportedly seen attractive valuation numbers and believe that the exchanges offer good risk-adjusted returns. This marks a significant shift in the banking industry's approach to cryptocurrencies. Once viewed with skepticism, these institutions are now embracing the potential benefits of digital assets. And I love seeing this because you can see that they are no longer shying away from crypto. They're diving in headfirst and acquiring huge stakes in some of the biggest exchanges. Next up, we have another big US fund manager preparing for crypto push. This is a massive US-based fund manager who currently oversees approximately $1.3 trillion in assets. The firm has recently made significant moves into the digital asset space, hiring over 20 employees and establishing a new office in the US to focus on crypto and Web3 investments. Fidelity's CEO has publicly stated that cryptocurrencies are here to stay and that they intend to continue investing in the space. So once again, you have another huge player getting ready to dive deep into the crypto markets. This is like one of the last holdouts of traditional finance finally deciding to join the party. Next up, we have crypto hedge funds reporting strong performance in volatile market. Data from the industry shows that the average crypto hedge fund has generated a return of 8.5% so far this year. This strong performance comes despite a challenging market environment marked by volatility and regulatory uncertainty. The top-performing funds have achieved impressive results, with some generating over 40% returns. Interestingly, the data also indicates that funds with exposure to artificial intelligence AI have outperformed those without AI exposure by almost 10%. So if you haven't noticed yet, AI is huge in the crypto space. Almost everything is being integrated with AI, and if you want to learn how to make money with AI, check out the link down below. Next up, we have this incredible visual showing the rise of crypto adoption worldwide. The chart showcases the exponential growth of cryptocurrency users across the globe since 2019. In less than 3 years, the number of users has skyrocketed from 10 million to over 1 billion. And just think about this chart only includes data up until December 2022. So it doesn't even show us the huge growth of 2023 and 2024. If anything, this chart is a conservative estimate and likely undercounts the actual number of crypto users. The growth is nothing short of astonishing and highlights the increasing mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies. So if you haven't noticed, big institutions, big countries, big banks, they're all getting ready to enter the crypto market. There has been a major shift in sentiment, and it seems like we're on the cusp of a whole new era of crypto adoption. I personally am super excited about this, and I think this is a great sign for the future of crypto. That's all I got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like always, feel free to drop a like or leave a comment down below. And if you're interested in making money with AI, check out the link down below. You can literally start making money today.